Here's how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Now, if you're on Snapchat and you want to start gaining a following, you want to post a lot of content and get a lot of people to start viewing that and interacting with it, you want to turn on that public profile. I'll walk you through the entire process, but first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing I want to basically mention on in here is the Snapchat support page. It says, what is a public profile? And you can see here, there is an age requirement and a country requirement. So it says public profiles enable Snapchatters age 16 and older in certain countries to share their creativity publicly and grow an audience. Now, it's completely optional and you can choose to turn it on or choose to just leave it off, but you need to be 16 or older. So if you're under 16, then you just need to wait until you get that 16th birthday and then you'll be able to enable it. But essentially what we're going to do is open up Snapchat here and tap on your profile at the top left. Now, if you've already enabled Snapchat public profile, you'll be able to see at the top here next to my account is public profile. So you can just tap on it and go back and forth. Now that's if you've already set it up. If you haven't set it up yet, all you need to do is scroll down and on one of these menu items, it will be the ability to create that public profile. It'll look sort of like this. Let's open up this. Basically, it'll show this and it says under public profile, create public profile. And then you just tap on it to start creating it. So again, you can go in here and just look for that ability to add or to join the public profile. And then once you've done that, you can go over here. You can add stories, spotlights, insights. You can get analytics about your specific content. And you can start to grow your followers. You can see I have 276 followers right now on my public profile. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.